Welcome back to another video with Kids Art Lab. And if this is your first time joining us, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. What are we making today?
A bat.
A bat. Yes, what do we need for that?
We need blue, purple, and pink, and maybe black.
And maybe black?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, be sure to stay tuned till the end of the video because we are going to be sharing a couple very interesting facts that we learned about bats while we were drawing this.
Yes.
And also, we're going to be using our acrylic brush pen markers. You do not have to use these. You can use whatever you have for art supplies around your house or school. Let's get started.
Yes.
All right, a bat. Let's start with some little bit like a bat hair. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to do a head, and his head is going to be kind of a little bit
Square.
Yeah, kind of a little square-like. Something like this with rounded corners. And just take your time. Very nicely done. Okay. All right, let's give our bat some ears to hear with. And they usually, some of them, have some really big ears. Okay, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just make the actual like ear part. Same on both sides. Great.
It looks like Yoda.
It does look like Yoda. They might know each other. Okay, let's give our bat a body. Like this. Okay, same with this. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we'll make like the, this will be kind of where we stop. So let's do that. Good. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're just going to round the feet, come right up to that line that we just made. Perfect. Okay, and a bat wouldn't be a bat without some wings. So let's do some bat wings. And these are simply going to be like this. And down. Good. And let's see if we can do another one on this on the other side that looks similar. Great. And then we have to do the actual like web part of it. So that's going to be like this. Good. And same on this side. Okay. And I think the easiest way to do this is going to be, these are actually fingers. So let's do this. This. Same on this side. Okay, and then we're going to have one more right here. So you can really do as many as you want, but I'm going to have 3 on each side. Like that. Okay, good, and you did too. And then all you got to do is, when you connect them, we want to give it a little bit of a curve to it. You don't want to go straight across if you can, although that would be fine too. Good, and then same on the other side. That looks great. Okay, and then let's work on the face just a little bit now. It wouldn't be complete without, he's got to see with something. Although bats have special radar that they use, kind of like dolphins. So they don't use their eyes a lot. Okay, good. And then, oh, you got some big eyes. Now it really looks like a Yoda bat. All right, so let's put a mouth right here. Well, these things look great. I think it's time to fast forward and bring our bat to life.
Yes.
Yeah. That was good. I like it. All right, we are back from fast forwarding and our bats came out fantastic. Tell me a little bit about yours.
So for the stars, I used like yellow.
Uh-huh.
And for the wings, I used blue. And for the ears too. I used pink for the body.
Uh-huh.
I used purple for the wings and the belly.
I think it looks great and I love all the stars. Well, we promised a couple fun facts. So what was your fun fact that you learned about bats?
My fun fact is some bats can live up to 30 years.
30 years, that's a long time. And I learned that they're actually the only flying mammal there is. Now, there are some like flying squirrels that can kind of like glide, but they don't actually fly. Bats are the only ones that can actually take off and fly like a bird.
Yes.
Well, what else do we have to do?
Our signature.
Yes. Well, we want to thank you for joining us for another video with Kids Art Lab.
I hope you had fun painting your bat, and we hope to see you next time.
Bye for now.